Nkechi.
You people should do fast before Igwe comes. Igwe, it will require the blood of a virgin as usual.
I just sent my guard to catch Nkechi, my brother's daughter. The secret will be sealed forever.
I purify myself with this water.
I fortify myself as I prepare to confront Igwe this night. Gods of our land, protect me.
Blood moon, Alana Cheta, Nkechi, blood moon.
Igwe, I have warned you that Nkechi is not for sacrifice. Release that girl.
What did you come out to do this night, Ezenwanyi? Just to warn me about a small girl?
Igwe, I have warned you. That girl will destroy your throne. Listen to the voice of the gods.
How dare you challenge me in my own kingdom?
Nkechi, Allah.